1999 pulling up to start now.
Starts with a spark, lights out
Go fast.
rise up, let's all take flight. Starts with a spark, lights out, we all got
1999 off the line. Hey, should we go that way or the way we know?
I would just stick with what we know.
Yep.
We're not racing them.
Nope. Racing all those guys putting around up there.
We'll let these turbo dudes hold up the NA guys and
Hopefully. What the fuck is all this water?
I know. Turbo car.
Spectate. Here's BJ. They definitely ran the blade through.
What?
They ran the blade through for sure.
Yeah.
Turn it as loud as you want.
That's not good right there.
What's our RPM?
84.
Okay.
Temps are on par with yesterday.
You overrode the fan?
Yep.
Copy.
We're at 181. 84, 85. Dude, we're staying with them.
Yeah, his car's having issues. That is the sickest video I think we'll ever get.
45 left and the 45 right.
Oh, that's not BJ. He's 804.
You want to get him?
Yeah, Siren. Unless he's not going to let us by. He's got enough power to keep us back here.
Yeah, he's gapping us right now.
Yep. Get there when we get there. He's giving us space. It's just not enough time.
Nice pass.
Thank you, sir. Hold it wide open for a second. Okay. I just wanted to tighten my belts. Yep. Okay. RPM?
83.
Tim?
At 185.
Copy.
Car stopped on your side on track. left. Dude, holy fuck, you did that so smooth.
I was just kind of waiting for the chop, but there was none. That's how we need to drive the whole day.
45 left.
Yep. This one will be fucked.
How are brakes?
They feel good so far. Have we seen anything behind us yet?
Not yet.
Copy.
There's one like 100 yards out, but I think it's the dude we passed.
Probably.
We're at 85.
Copy.
Sweeping right. Right over the drop, stay straight. Those are new.
What's that?
Those whoops at the bottom.
Yeah. They weren't there yesterday. During our heat at least.
90 left.
How the fuck are we catching people?
Hey, that's fine. We're fast. 90 right. Left, sticky corner.
Churnos.
Yep, that's put time on him.
Yeah, he's fast down this straight though. We're not even breaking 80. Oh
Roll
shit!
over, right hand side, right hand side.
Are they still in the car? Yep. Safest place is in it. Right there.
Yeah. That's gonna put that dude behind us. It's gonna slow him down.
Are they?
Yeah. Because rescue is getting right there. So.
RPMs?
85.
Don't let me go over 86.
Okay. 84, 85, 85. If you hold it right there, you're about perfect.
Okay.
84, 84, 85, 84, 85, 45 left, 84, 85,
Copy.
We're going left half here, right?
Yep.
Left. Good shit, dude. Good shit. 90 right.
Hold it wide open. Okay.
90 right. Good job.
Yes, sir.
Left. Right. Left. 90 right. 1999 through hot pit, not stopping, looking good.
Alright, you're about 8 on course.
It's weird, that's a turbo car in front of us and you keep telling us we're super slow and we seem to be hanging with them just fucking fine.
That turbo car coming up behind you, the Yamaha.
45 right. Yeah, we just picked them off.
Oh, that hook's broke.
Fuck.
We got no brakes.
Yeah, no, you broke something, pull off. Fuck. Fuck, dude, god damn it.
That hub broke. We think a hub just broke, we're not sure.
So fuck everybody and fuck everyone, solving all my problems with a fully loaded handgun. Step into the ring.
Hub. Copy. 1999, the main or the hop hit. We just broke a hub, so it's probably game over. It's not worth changing to try to get back out.
Left rear.
Right rear, I think.
Alright, we'll just stay there for Trevor.
Copy. We'll try and limp up there and come hang out.
Alright.
It happens. Let's go up to the hop pit.